आज we're going to English speaker. We're going to talk to a very special person. She's umpire from Pakistan. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Binish Hayat. I'm from Pakistan, first ever international referee. Come over here to supervise our Commonwealth Games. It's a very big honor for me and for my country as well.
How did you get into umpiring?
Of course, I have to meet the criteria which have the set by the FIH Hockey Federation. So in 2013, so I went for the first Women and Women Challenge Cup. So I supervised here 5 matches, and then after my all performance, they give me the status of the international.
Yeah. So, did you have any problem sponsorship-wise or recommendation from Pakistan Federation?
Of course, just because of them, they nominate me for the first time. You have to go there for as an umpire because I played for Pakistan before that, and 2014 to until 2012, and then they said you have to decide, so you have to choose if you really want to do some work for hockey. So you have to choose your direction, rather umpiring, technical officials, or maybe coach. So then said me you have to go for this. You have to choose for this field. So just because of them, I'm here.
How did you find this tournament?
It is wonderful, I think, experience for me, and I have learned so many things.
And how many internationals have you umpired so far?
In this tournament, I got 4 matches, and overall, I have altogether 61 men, senior and junior. Yes, 61.
And you've done men as well?
Now the FIH is allowed to be for the league. Just like FIH Pro League, the women can do the men matches as well. For particular for this tournament, only for the women can do the women, and men can do the women.
How are you perceived by the young girls who see you as a Pakistani girl umpiring high-level matches?
After this achievement, this tournament, so actually they are now more keen to be. They wanted to be as umpire as well. So this is, I think, a big motivation for the upcoming umpire.
Is hockey dominated by men in Pakistan?
No.
No.
Well, they have their own concern. Women have a own concern. If the women really want to do something and they have set their direction, nobody can, harm for them. They are very open for them as well. That's why I'm here.
Thank you very much indeed. It's a pleasure talking to you.
Same here.
And
Thank you.
hopefully talk to you soon again.
Inshallah.
Okay, bye.